The Nikon Z8, despite being highly appreciated by viewers and photographers, has faced significant difficulties since its release in May 2023. One major impediment was the requirement that Nikon issue a recall for a certain batch of Z8s, due to a lens mount issue that made it difficult for lenses to be mounted correctly to the camera. Another problem has now come to light, calling into serious question the Z8's construction. So, what exactly is it, you ask? Let's find out, then. A number of Nikon Z8 users have encountered problems with failing or loosely attached camera strap lugs. This marks the second known issue that has arisen since the Z8 introduction, with the previous incident also occurring with the Z9, and leading to a recall in both cases. Despite these reported concerns, Nikon has not yet initiated a recall for the loose strap lugs in the Z8. However, the recurrence of build quality problems could potentially have a negative impact on Nikon's reputation as a hardware manufacturer. Some users have taken to social media to share their experiences with camera strap breakages, including one unfortunate incident where a camera was dropped and irreparably damaged. Based on images shared in the Nikon Z8 Facebook crew, the problem does not seem to be related to the plastic molding or metal casing, as there's no visible damage to these parts. Instead, the issue appears to be with the assembly itself, possibly indicating improper or faulty assembly from the beginning. As of now, Nikon has not officially acknowledged the problem, but affected users should be eligible for warranty support, as it seems to be a manufacturing defect.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta NT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
If the problem becomes widespread enough, it could potentially lead to another recall for the Nikon Z8. While no official statement has been released, a local Nikon distributor in Rotterdam reportedly informed one Z8 user that this was a known issue and that a replacement unit would be provided under warranty. It is disheartening to see such a highly praised and capable camera facing such challenges. Although manufacturing defects like these are likely rare, the consecutive occurrence of two build quality issues raises some concerns about Nikon's quality control. However, the extent of the problem is still uncertain, and until Nikon addresses it with an official statement or recall, it would be premature to assume it is a widespread issue. Earlier, Nikon issued a recall saying that Nikon has been informed by some Z8 camera users about a rare issue, where the lens cannot be properly attached to the camera body. This problem arises when attempting to rotate the lens into the locked position, particularly with the 50mm 1.8s lens. After conducting a thorough investigation, Nikon has identified that this problem is specific to a certain range of Z8 camera serial numbers. To address the issue, Nikon will provide free repairs for the affected Z8 cameras, including covering shipping costs through air from their service center, even for cameras that are no longer under warranty. Considering the somewhat turbulent beginning of the Z8's journey, the issues with the strap lugs appear even more concerning. Despite these reliability concerns, the Nikon Z8 has gained significant popularity among photographers and reviewers alike. It is selling remarkably well for a good reason. It is an outstanding camera. However, given its price tag of $4,000, customers have legitimate expectations for higher build quality. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.